I'll give you a tour. You're gonna love it here.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make up.
Back to my channel. I know I've been going, but I'm here. I'm here today with the new glue I've been using on my wigs review, and the new ash control I've been using on my wig review. And this wig that, if you follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because they basically get to see it first. When I went to go see my boyfriend, and I went to go live my best life, I didn't have time. I was running late, and wow, my stud just came off. I was running late, so I basically wore the hair before I brought it to y'all. I'm sorry, but this is the best natural hair wig, close to like a natural 4C hair wig I've ever purchased. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my head, but I'm gonna show you the inside. It just looks like this. Got it from Amazon. Order link for it will be down below. It has 3 combs on my hair, on my hair, adjustable straps. It looks rough right now, but you're gonna watch the whole process. So sit back, enjoy, give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to 50 likes for me to bring back wig review. I'm leaning back into it. So yeah, the wig glue I'm gonna review today is the G.O.A.Tglue. This is like an arm and a leg. They have the smaller one, but I bought this one because I'm never going back. But it's good, I'm never going back. It's hard to explain. I'm never going back because this little bottle cost $60, and then after shipping and handling, my total was like $84 for no reason. I'm gonna have the Instagram for this down below if you want to try it, the smaller one. So yeah. And then I also got this glue from Amazon. It's called Magic Bond, and whatever you do, it dries clear. So when you put it on, it's white, then it look kind of like tinted blue, but it ended up being clear. And then we'll also have this for your edges, because you know nothing hold my edges down but this. It's called Balm, and it's called Gold. Got it from Amazon. I will also have the link down below. Make sure you check that out. And last but not least, this on my head right here. This hair wrap is a 2-piece. I didn't put the second one on, but it's wonderful. It makes it look like you got your hair tied professionally. Sweetheart. So if y'all are interested in it, I didn't tie this on because I'm literally about to take this off with my wig on. But if y'all are interested, I will have her website also in my description box. You're about to be having like 5 things in my description box. With that being said, let's just hop into this video. Watch it. I already got my ball cap on. Hello. Okay. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Original. Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
Before this video starts, I just want you to forgive my lashes because my fan is very disrespectful. In the beginning, my lashes is on my eye. By the end of it, my fan don't blow it out like the disrespectful ass fan it is. So please forgive that. And by the time I noticed, it was after I was done installing the wig before I did the intro, and that's why it looked like my lashes were off, then it was on, then it was off, then it was on. I'm confused. I just know this fan is disrespectful, so please forgive my lashes, because I would never do that. It blew it right off.
She really want, she try to really want. calm down, take it slow. See the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really
Just say
got.
no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original Batman.
Turn up the vibe. Bad man, 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 turn up the vibe.
no, 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 no.
Original.
Original Batman.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Original Batman. Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first
just say
class.
no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. See the girl, them a coming at me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really
just say
got.
no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original
Bad man,
Batman.
turn up the vibe. Bad man, 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 turn up the vibe.
no, 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 no.
Original.
Original Batman.
This is the hair. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy this video. This is literally my favorite hair. And when I saw the way it looked like, I was just like, I'm wearing this to go see my mans. Wow. Okay. So let me run you through it real quick. This really holds you down the whole day. This bomb go. Okay, so with this, you literally have to wait. Like when you put it on, it don't matter how much amount. It's very white. You just have to wait for it to dry. So basically, when I put it on my head, and I'm just waiting because I don't feel like turning on my blow dryer because my outlet is being used on my ring light right now. So I had to stop recording and sit down for like 5 minutes till it turns clear, and then I put this on top of it. When you're using this is already clear, so you cannot just put it on your head and slap your lace on it because I've used this before. What would happen is if you just put this on, you put your lace on, you have so much cleaning up to do. No. Okay, like you gotta wait for it to get tacky first. So like you don't know when it gets tacky to not touch it. So when you put it on, just wait like a good 3 minutes, and then you put your lace on. As you saw, I didn't have to use my hairband or nothing. Like once you put that lace down, that's it, sweetheart. You're held to the gods, and there's no going back. So I hope you get it right the first time. That's what this is. Con to this, I feel like it's overpriced. Also con to this, when it came in the mail, it started right here. How dare you charge me that much money and started here? It had straight air. All this was air, and it started right here. It started right here at the paper. So I feel like that's bad on management, and I didn't feel like going the extra mile to like reach out, because it would say I used it, but how can I use it if it can't have a bottle? I don't got time to argue with people. But this glue, more about it, it is waterproof. To change my hair often, so all I did was put one layer of this and then one layer of this. This thing hold you down. How do y'all get your lace off? Because literally the thing can hold you down, but when you put alcohol on a Q-tip and just like rub it towards it, can get it off. But this is by far my favorite tool combination, and it don't only have to be this one. This one is Magic Bond. It's anti-humidity, anti-respiration, oily scalp, extreme hold, moisture resistant, dress clear, medical grade enhanced, and it's called Magic Bond Plus Collagen. So I just put these two together, and that's it. Y'all comment down below what you rate this hair, cause like look at the texture. If you see some white in it, it's because my mousse is taking forever to dry. My mousse and my gel. But tell me this is not the closest thing to like a natural hair texture wig. And this is called Kinky Curly. It's on the pricier side, but it's worth it. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, and I love this hair so much, guys. Oh, one more thing, this hair is 18 inch, but you know it's like kinky curly, so it's right there. But when you stretch it, it can go all the way. It can go. Who taught me English? Who taught me English? Jesus Christ, it can go. My gosh. But yeah, all the links for everything that I use in this video will be down below. Y'all, let's get this video to 50 likes if you enjoyed this video and y'all loved it. Like, I love this hair. Hurry up and go and get it, because I already give this link to 10 people, and I feel like it's my